Hey everyone, how's it going? I'm Steph. Welcome back. It's day number 16 of our 21 Days to a Clean Home Challenge. So this week we're adding daily focuses to every day. Just a small task, 5 to 15 minutes, that will help take some of those things off your to-do list. I had to add that blanket because my kids are playing in the basement and they're very loud. So daily focus. Today we're gonna add another daily focus to our list. You can add it to whatever day works best for you, but I do this one on Tuesdays. It's plan and pay. So if you followed Fly Lady, you know she calls it plan and play. I kind of just changed it to work for me. And I also add a third task, plan and play and plants, because I have tons of plants, I love them, and so I also water my plants on this day, which is super obscure, but if you like it, hey, add that into your schedule too. So plan and pay day is exactly how it sounds. Take this day, 15 minutes max, to check your schedule, make sure everything that needs to be on it is on it, go through some emails, pay some of your bills, make appointments, make plans with friends, all kind of administrative stuff that pertains to your life, get done on this day. I love this because before I would wait until a bill was due to pay it, and often I would miss that and then have late charges, and it was just horrible. So this way, I'm checking in every week with what's going on with my bank account and my plans and my schedule, and I'm able to stay on top of things a little bit better. Another reason I really like this is because a lot of times those appointments and schedules and plans tend to feel really overwhelming and your to-do list can feel like it's piling up. But if you know you have a day dedicated to dealing with all of that stuff, you don't really have to think about it or worry about it or stress about it the rest of the week. Just as you think of things, you can add them to your list. I add them here on the plan and play blank space. So as I think of things through the week, I just add them in and I know they'll get dealt with on Tuesdays for me. So if you think plan and pay and plants is something that could really benefit your life, I encourage you to add this in as a daily focus. If you don't think that it's important, hey, leave it out altogether or add something in that you think is gonna work better for you. It's all about making a super customized system that works best in your life. So let me know if you do plan and pay day or if you focus on something totally different. I love hearing how everyone else is customizing the schedule to work for them. All right, that's it for day number 16. It's short, it's sweet, but it'll make a huge difference in your life. I will link to a video below that shows a little bit more in depth about how I do plan and pay day, but if you're ready to go, make those plans, pay those bills, and get that check mark for today. I will see you tomorrow for day number 17. Bye.
If you want to dive deeper into this challenge, head to my website, www.thesecretslob.com, and pick up the 21 Days to a Clean Home workbook. It breaks down the challenge day by day and helps guide you as you set up systems that work for you.